This is how you make Italian chicken rollatini. Lay a flattened chicken breast on a cutting board. Top with a bit of the cheese and some crispy bacon. You can easily cook the bacon in the microwave oven. Roll the breast up and use a couple of toothpicks to secure it in place. You want to weave the toothpick in and out of the breast to make sure it stays in place. Do the same with the rest of the chicken breasts. Once you've done that, dip each chicken roll in some lightly beaten eggs, and then in the seasoned breadcrumbs, making sure you cover all of it. Now, heat the olive oil in a 12-inch nonstick skillet over medium heat and brown the chicken rolls. Turn them over every now and then using a pair of tongs to make sure they brown evenly on all sides. Lift them out of the skillet and let them drain on paper towels. Add the prepared pasta sauce to the skillet, along with the chicken broth. Give it a quick stir and place the chicken rolls back in the sauce. Cover the skillet and simmer for 10 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Spoon the sauce over freshly cooked linguine or spaghetti and top with slices of the chicken rolls.